If you've ever wanted to share a file directly from your WordPress site, whether it's a handy PDF guide, a pricing sheet, or any other downloadable document, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you the quickest and easiest way to add a downloadable file to your WordPress post or page using the built-in file block. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean download button and even let visitors preview files right on your site. So let's jump right in. First things first, inside the WordPress editor, we're going to add the file block. Think of this block as your all-in-one tool for sharing documents, a huge time saver because it takes care of creating links and download buttons automatically. To add it, go ahead and click on the plus icon. That's the block inserter at the spot in your post or page where you want the file to appear. You can type file in the search box, or an even quicker trick is to type a /, then the word file, so file on a new blank line, and hit enter. This is something I do all the time, and it's a real workflow booster once you get used to it. Next up, you'll see options to either upload a brand new file from your computer or pick something you've already uploaded to your media library. If the file is sitting on your desktop, click Upload, then browse for it and select it. Give it a moment to finish. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds for larger files. Or if you've previously uploaded your document, you can click Media Library and choose it from there. This is handy if you like to keep images and documents organized. Keeping files in the media library also lets you reuse them later without having to upload again. Once your file is added, WordPress will automatically drop in a download link with the file's name. But let's not just stick with the default. It's more user-friendly to give it a custom label. Just click directly on the file name text, and you can rename it to something like "Click here to download the recipe" instead of a file name that might look cryptic. Clear labels help your visitors find what they need and boost the overall professionalism of your site. Here, where you have a few extra options to fine-tune the way your file appears. Over on the right-hand sidebar, you'll see block settings. There you can toggle the download button on or off. I recommend keeping it on. Everyone loves a clear call to action button. You can also choose whether the file link opens in a new tab. For downloadable files, opening in a new tab is often a good idea, so users don't lose their place on your website. One more tip: if you're uploading a PDF, you'll see the option to show inline embed. Turning this on is super helpful. It lets users preview the PDF right on your page, almost like flipping through virtual pages before deciding to download. It's especially great for things like event programs, menus, or sample chapters. If you want to give visitors a sneak peek, definitely toggle this setting. And that's all there is to it. Using the file block eliminates the need for any fancy plugins or complicated code, making file downloads smooth and straightforward for both you and your audience. If this walkthrough helped you get your file download up and running in WordPress, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, maybe about different file types or customizing the look, just drop them down in the comments. I always try to reply and help out. And for more simple, actionable WordPress tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.